Do you want to show Jack? Say, look, Jack.
No shop. Oh, colors.
Colors.
Red, green, yellow, red, yellow, purple,
Purple.
shop, green, yellow, red, green, red, yellow, purple, shop.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Can you say, thanks, Tontland. Love you.
I mean, too many here.
You want Tontland to come here?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. She should come visit.
I mean, their birthday.
Maybe for next birthday.
They come their birthday.
Yeah. She can have a piece of your cake.
Red,
What kind of cake are you going to have? Nick?
Yellow.
What kind of cake are you going to have for your birthday?
Yellow.
Nicholas?
Yellow. Green, red. Yellow. Purple. Chop. I do it.
What kind of cake are you going to have for your
I know.
birthday?